Welcome to the course Learn to Land a Dream Job. In this video, we shall learn how not to ask for a job. It's very important to understand this topic because these could be the pitfalls of our job search efforts and can lead to alienating your potential referrers and also result in frustration. I personally have experienced a lot of such job requests coming my way. Do not mass message your resume to your contacts requesting them for a job. This is very similar to distributing pamphlets. Sharing your resumes with random contacts through a broadcasting mechanism will most of the time get you nowhere. You will get a feeling of having done a lot towards your job search, but it will most of the time give you zero results. Another similar approach is to call your contacts randomly and asking them to pass on your resume to their contacts or in their organization. While they may say, sure, I will pass it on to my contacts, or they may say they will refer you in their company if they find any suitable opening. But nothing will happen beyond this. Why will nothing happen? Are your contacts not keen to help you? Why will this approach not lead to any outcome but just more frustration? We shall learn the reasons for this in our next video while we understand how exactly to ask for a job that yields results or outcomes.